Today I'm gonna show you interesting AI tools that you probably have never heard of, and to start us off is HeyPi.com, or commonly known as Pi. Pi is an AI tool that offers emotional support and serves as a sounding board for users' thoughts and emotions. With its human-like conversations, users can experience engaging dialogues that resemble human interaction. The tool provides emotional support, offering a listening ear and guidance for users' emotions and concerns. Additionally, Pi utilizes machine learning algorithms to understand user preferences and cater to individuals' needs over time, providing personalized interactions. Pi is an ideal tool for individuals seeking a listening ear and connection. BlogTweet allows you to turn a blog post into a Twitter thread. Developed by Jake Prince and powered by AI, BlogTweet utilizes Choppity to convert the content of a blog post into a series of tweets. This feature is designed to save time and effort for individuals who want to share their blog content on Twitter without spamming their followers. The tool supports the conversion of any blog post into a Twitter thread, making it useful for content creators, bloggers, and social media managers. Podsift is an AI tool that offers free AI-generated podcast summaries. Its main features include managing your account, getting started with dark mode, and staying up to date with your favorite podcast. The tool allows you to receive AI-generated summaries of podcasts directly to your inbox. All you have to do is enter and verify your email and select podcasts for which you'd like to receive summaries. Ahaapple is an AI-powered tool that helps users generate ideas and gain inspiration. With its innovative techniques and brainstorming capabilities, Ahaapple makes it easy for users to explore new possibilities. Thumbnail.ai is a free AI tool that focuses on helping designers create eye-catching thumbnails for platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. Users can create awesome thumbnails from scratch or use pre-existing templates to quickly generate engaging content. The StudyCards app is an AI-powered flashcard maker that helps memorize information by swiping through cards and listening to them. It features an embedded text-to-speech engine that can read the text out loud in a natural-sounding voice and allows users to create custom decks with the assistance of AI. ThinkTask is a task management tool that utilizes ChatGPT to automate task creation, organization, and assignment. The tool is designed to boost work productivity by reducing the time spent on task management tools by 50% and increasing productivity by up to 10 times. Chord is an AI tool that helps users find relevant YouTube videos and generate personalized articles based on their interests. The tool uses AI to vet sources and compose final articles. So all you need to do is provide a topic of interest and the AI will go find and watch relevant YouTube videos for you. And once done, it will synthesize the research into a personalized article. I mean, how cool is that? Choppity is an AI-based video editing tool that repurposes longer videos or podcasts into shorter clips for social media platforms such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn. It automatically adds animated subtitles and centers faces for improved engagement. It is 9 times faster and 45 times cheaper than traditional video editing software or outsourcing. Funny Tweet Generator is a free AI tool that helps users create humorous tweets for social media platforms like Twitter. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze popular tweet formats, trending topics, and humorous patterns to generate witty content. Users can customize the generated tweets by modifying content, adding or removing hashtags, and personalizing them to match their preferences. The tool allows users to generate as many tweets as they want, save them in various formats, and share them directly on social media platforms. Neural Actors is an AI tool that allows users to create professional quality videos featuring AI actors. Users can choose an actor, write a script, and download the video. The actor can speak and move like a real human, and the tool allows users to edit templates and create multi-shot videos with multiple camera angles. Chopcast is an AI-powered content repurposing tool that automates the process of identifying key moments in long-form video, webinar, podcast, or virtual footage and turning those moments into short-form content for social media channels. It features instant subtitling, auto-suggested clip creation, and captioning with over 95% accuracy. Durable is an AI website builder that can create a professional website for your business in just 30 seconds. It generates website content, chooses images, and creates an entire website with a custom domain. Users can edit and customize their website with features such as adding photos, adjusting colors and fonts, adding logos and icons, and integrating social media feeds or videos. Durable also offers additional tools to run a small business, such as content organization, custom integrations, relationship management tools, and payment processing. Bladerunner is a browser plugin that that uses AI to highlight text that has been generated by a bot. It can also be used to detect spam, fake reviews, and misinformation on social media and news. Its purpose is to help distinguish between human-generated and AI-generated content online. The tool is held to a high standard of accuracy and is suitable for use by individuals, businesses, governments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.